Hey, Miss Susan, how did you hear about me again? The neighborhood, right? Yeah. Someone in the neighborhood recommended me to you. Thank you. All righty. Thank you. Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Tuesday, June the 5th, and summer is in effect because it is hot, and it's not even 11 o'clock yet. So anyway, guys, this is Mrs. Susan. I am out here in the Grand Reunion Country Club in Houston, Georgia, next to Brazelton. Nice community. I will say I definitely have done maybe over 30 to 40 homes in this community. Also, you got Chateau Elan, which I'm always in that neighborhood. So this is Miss Susan. I came out 2 weeks ago. She reached out to me. I gave her the option of either sending pictures or doing the in-home consultation. She said, Courtney, let's just do the in-home consultation. I don't have time to be sending pictures. So anyway, guys, so what we're going to be doing today is a screen and recoat with UV cure, going with a satin finish. Also, shout out to Christian, my moving guys. They actually came out here this morning, moved the furniture. Did they do a great job, Miss Susan, moving the furniture? They did a great job moving the furniture. I always get great compliments with Christian. So anyway, guys, let's flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so again, we are in Houston, Georgia, Grand Reunion Country Club. Miss Susan's about to leave. Miss Susan, when we go off for lunch, to just close the door to call you?
No, it's fine. You could leave it.
Yeah.
What time should I be back?
I say probably around 2:33.
You gonna be done by then?
Well, we'll be probably ready to UV cure by then.
Okay, so I should be back by 3 o'clock?
About 3 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, guys, so let me flip this around and show you what we got going. This is a total, I think it was close to 900 square feet. Screen recoat, UV cure. This is a pre-finished floor, but it's a solid pre-finish. This is that Bruce style floor. A lot of sanding guys do not like sanding this floor because it's very difficult to sand. You can sand it, but it takes a lot. So anyway, guys, Miss Susan did not want to go through the sanding. So what we're going to do, guys, is rough this floor up. That's going to create a mechanical abrasion. So our rag coat will have something to bond to. And what we're going to be doing is all this. I'm going to Tavares just take that off right there. So this whole area right here, coming through the kitchen and this hallway, and then leading into this room right here, and this little area right here, and this poly room. Also, too, guys, I had a project in Atlanta that was also a referral from a client I did 3 weeks ago. He had to postpone for a few weeks because he's still getting some renovation done. But I ended up having another lead come in this morning to take that slot. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Guys, we got a great abrasion on this floor. You can see we got that high gloss knot all the way down. Now this, what you're looking at, is more like a matte finish. See right here, not down pretty flat. But we're gonna go with a satin finish. I just had a lead. I just booked the lady for a full sanding job on the 14th of July. I'm gonna have my guy Aaron do that job. He's out of town right now, but he'll be back. And yeah, guys, all right, let's go ahead and get the finish down. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got back. Got to do the step test. Man, look at these floors. Also, too, I just had a nice job just come in. I went and did a consultation for a client last week. They're moving into this beautiful home in Lawrenceville. They're going to be going with the screen and recoat, UV cure, and the countertops. She just called me, let me know that they closed on the house and they are ready for me. They got the painters in there now, and then they got some carpet going in, and they got me coming in on the 8th, on a Tuesday. What is that? Oh, where did he come from? Ooh, man, these look good. Guys, remember I told you, man, with that satin finish, it would make a factory finish floor look so good. Oh man, this looks amazing. I know she's gonna be happy. All right, guys, we're gonna start UV curing in about 10 minutes. Always just do a thorough walkthrough just to make sure everything is what it is before we do any, if we have to do any touch-ups. What you think, T? Yes, yeah, this will look good. Always remember the sun fading. There's nothing we can do about that. Full sanding, it's the only thing that can get that out. But in situations like this, most clients can deal with this instead of having to get the whole floor sanded. So screen and recoat does have its limitations, but it's one of the most convenient services where, as you can see, done in one day. Sanding job like this will probably take about, especially this is pre-finished, probably about 4 or 5 days. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, and that is gonna do it. Floors came out great. Miss Susan's very happy. Thank you again to the Grand Reunion Country Club homeowners for referring me. I do have plenty of referrals in this neighborhood over the years. One of my favorite neighborhoods to work in. Great people, great homeowners. And again, guys, when they refer me, let me know I'm doing something right. All right, guys, Christian and his crew should be here shortly. That's going, huh? No, you're good, Miss Susan. Give me about 5 more minutes. Christian and his crew should be here shortly to move the furniture back for Miss Susan. And me and Tavares are done for today. Tomorrow we will be Lake Lanier on the lake. Beautiful, beautiful view, guys. You'll see it tomorrow. And also we have a few consultations tomorrow, one in Alpharetta and one in Cumming. All right, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful job. I love that satin finish. All right, awesome. All right, guys, and also too, when you got sun damage, screen or recoat would not get rid of this. But my sanding guy, Referral, what he can do, he can come down, sand straight down, get all that sun damage out, and then recoat the floors. All right, guys, overall, everything looks great. All right, guys, Miss Suzanne is coming in, about to see her reaction of the floors. So all I gotta do now is UV cure the kitchen, her living room, the hallway, and the bathroom. Floors came out great, but at the end of the day, the customer makes the last call. Just got 2 potential clients gonna send me pictures of their floors. One said he did not want to go through. He said he got a price to sand it. Said it was out of his budget. So he said he'll just have me give him a price to screen or recoat it. All right, guys. There's Miss Suzanne. Here she is. Hello. Come on in and check it out. See. Oh.
Take my shoes off?
No, you're fine.
Oh, doesn't it look nice?
See there?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Look, you're right, it looks like natural.
Didn't I tell you it looked natural when you put that nice satin on it?
It does.
Yep.
Well, thank you. It's very good.
You're welcome.
Be glad you're inside. It's 100 degrees.
Yes, it is hot outside.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, remember I told you when I came and did the consultation, I said you put that nice satin on, it's going to make it look natural?
It does. You're
Yep.
right. It certainly does. It's very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
And check this out. Remember your, look how much better it almost blends in with the site finish floors.
It sure does.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, let me look over here.